Good evening, Philippines. I'm back. This is Mike Padua, returning now to our new tropical weather analysis for this Wednesday to Friday, July 1 to 3, 2020. And this is now brought to you by Typhoon2000, the Philippines' first website on tropical cyclone, established in 1997. And as we begin with our update, here's the latest Typhoon 2000 GraphSat beginning today, Wednesday through Thursday. And as you can see, we have a weakening of the southwest monsoon. It's just concentrated here along the West Philippine and South China Seas, and here along the western and eastern sections of the Luzon Island, we have the southerly wind flow. But it has also have the potential of some afternoon or evening rain showers and thunderstorms. And as you can see here, we have changed our GraphSat from text to icons so that the public would easily understand the meaning of these symbols. We have sunny to partly cloudy and some rain showers and thunderstorms expected along these areas of the coastal areas of Luzon, including the Batanes and Babuyan Cubaba Islands, especially in the evening. And elsewhere, the rest of the Philippine Islands will expect some sunny skies with partly cloudy, and later in the afternoon or evening we could expect some usual thunderstorms, especially here along the Visayas and Mindanao. Outside of PAR, we have a surface trough approaching Yap in western Micronesia and the usual intertropical convergence zone, and we have a weak low pressure area right here across the eastern sections of Micronesia or along the Marshall Islands. But so far this is a weak system, and it is expected to weaken within the next 24 hours, not expected to develop. So most of the computer models right now, it still shows no tropical cyclone development for the next 5 to 10 days. And as we go back to the Philippines, just be careful for some lightning strikes during the event of thunderstorms and heavy downpour, which could result in possible flash floods in low-lying areas. So that's the latest from our GraphSat. As we look at our fast animation, you can see here some afternoon thunderstorms occurring across parts of Mimaropa, Visayas, and Mindanao. While as we look at our zoom-in satellite animation, courtesy of windy.com, and this is the UMETSAT satellite feed. You can see here that the areas of southern Tagalog provinces, Calabarzon to be exact, portions of the Bicol region including Naga City will have some afternoon or evening rain showers, thunderstorms, and also across the various parts of Mimaropa, western Visayas, and large areas of Mindanao, particularly the central and western portions. So expect some thunderstorms as of now. And also here across the Cordillera mountain range, we could expect some evening thunderstorms to develop. And so far, that's the latest. The southwest monsoon is somewhat weakening right now. And as we look at our 3-day rainfall accumulation from windy.com, you could expect some afternoon and evening rain showers and thunderstorms all throughout the archipelago in a isolated to scattered fashion. And as we look at our 3-day wind and pressure, including rain forecast from the windy.com, tomorrow Thursday we still have a possibility of thunderstorms, afternoon or evening thunderstorms across major parts of Mimaropa, Luzon, including the Bicol region, Visayas, and Mindanao. And on Friday, still same weather system is expected all throughout the archipelago. Expect some afternoon rain showers and thunderstorms. And before we leave you, here's the latest global tropics hazards and benefits outlook from the Climate Prediction Center of NOAA, United States of America. This is the 2-week forecast. And as you can see, for week 1, July 1 to July 7, we still have some below average rainfall across much of the Philippine Islands, all throughout the Western Pacific, with a possible tropical cyclone formation over the Eastern Pacific, not part of our basin. And for week 2, from July 8 to July 14, still some below average rainfall across the Philippine Islands without any changes. So expect absence of tropical cyclone still throughout the next week. So that's it. That's the latest from our Weather TV update of Typhoon2000.ph. So these are the news sites where you can find the latest updates from yours truly on Typhoon2000.ph, and also you can email us at t2kstormupdates@gmail.com if you wish to subscribe for our tropical cyclone updates via email, and also at our Facebook page at Mr. Typhoon and our Twitter at Typhoon2K. So until Friday, this is Mike Padua reporting. Stay safe always, and thank you for watching our tropical weather analysis.